Hello everyone, I am Navya Saini from DAV Thermal and today I am going to tell you about triangles. First of all, let's talk about the history of triangles. Triangles were invented by Blaise Pascal. Triangle comes from the Latin word triangulus, which means three-cornered or having three angles. From the roots tri and angulus, tri means three and angulus means angle or a corner. Triangles are one of the first shapes studied in nature. In our daily life, we go through various real-life examples of triangles. For example, truss bridge structures are constructed in triangular shapes. These triangles are used in supporting the structure of the bridge because they evenly distribute the weight without changing the proportion. Thus, these bridges are very strong. Boards of traffic signs forms the most commonly found example of triangle in our daily life. Most of them are triangular in shape. Third one is pyramids. Pyramids are the ancient monuments constructed by Egyptians. They also have triangular shapes. Most of the sailing boats have triangular structure. We know that roofs of the houses in hilly areas are of triangular shapes. This shape doesn't let water or snow to stay on the roof for a long time. Network towers are also triangular in shape. This shape gives them strength as it forms a strong base. We can also find out the height of mountains by using triangular geometry. Sandwiches are also triangular in shape. This shape makes them beautiful and attractive, and it is also easy to hold them. Now, what is a triangle? A closed figure formed by three intersecting lines is known as a triangle. A triangle has three sides, three angles, and three vertices. These types of shapes are triangles. Let us learn about some properties of triangles. First property is the sum of the measures of all the three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Second, the sum of length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. For example, in triangle ABC, the sum of all the angles, that is angle A, angle B and angle C is equal to 180 degree. And in triangle EGO, sum of any of the two sides is greater than the third side. For example, the sum of sides EG and GO is equals to 21 cm, which is greater than the side EO, that is 13 cm. Now, how do we classify triangles? There are two ways to classify triangles: by sides and by angles. First of all, classification of triangles on the basis of sides. On the basis of sides, triangles can be classified into three categories, that are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle in which the length of all the three sides are same is called an equilateral triangle. For example, in triangle ABC, all the sides AB, BC and CA are equal. Hence, it is an example of equilateral triangle. Also in triangle LMN, all the sides are equal. So, this is also an equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle. A triangle in which the length of any two sides are equal, then that triangle is known as an isosceles triangle. For example, in triangle PQR, sides PQ and PR are equal. Therefore, this is an isosceles triangle. Also in triangle ABC, sides AB and AC are equal. So, this is also an isosceles triangle. Scalene triangle. A triangle in which the length of all the three sides are different is known as a scalene triangle. For example, in triangle XYZ, all the sides XY, YZ and ZX are different in length, and in triangle ABC also, sides AB, BC and CA are different in length. So, both of these triangles are example of scalene triangle. Now, classification of triangles on the basis of angles. On the basis of angles, triangles can be classified into three categories, that are acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angled triangle. First one is acute angled triangle. A triangle in which all the angles are acute, that is, they are less than 90 degrees, is called an acute angled triangle. For example, in triangle PQR, all the angles, that is angle P, angle Q and angle R, are less than 90 degrees. So, this is an example of acute angled triangle. Also in triangle ABC, all the angles are again less than 90 degrees. So, this is also an example of acute angled triangle. Right angled triangle. A triangle in which any one angle is a right angle, then that triangle is known as right angled triangle. For example, as you can see in the following figures, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, which is a right angle. So, both of these figures are example of right angled triangle. Then, obtuse angled triangle. A triangle in which any one angle is obtuse, that is, any one angle is more than 90 degrees, is called an obtuse angled triangle. For example, in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 105 degrees, which is greater than 90 degrees. So, this is an example of obtuse angled triangle. Also in triangle RMN, angle M is equal to 150 degrees, which is again greater than 90 degrees. So, this is also an example of obtuse angled triangle. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed and learned something new.